How to fix if ads are appearing on your home screen on Android covering the whole screen. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can actually fix if ads appear on your home screen covering the whole screen on your Android phone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So let's say you're just using your phone as you normally do, an ad pops up. You open a specific app and again the ad pops up. Why does this happen? You have to understand one thing. Your home screen or lock screen won't have any advertisements from your mobile manufacturer. If you are using Samsung won't put ads on your home screen. They don't do this. If you are using Realme, Oppo, Vivo, the company don't do this on your home screen. They don't put your phone with full of ads and so on. This is usually happen because you've installed a third-party applications that will display advertisements on your home screen or lock screen. And most of these apps are like wallpaper apps maybe, or maybe a home screen widget app, or maybe anything as such, or maybe a third-party launcher. That's the reason why you're having all these ads issues. And the way you can remove this is by simply uninstalling the app that you recently installed. So figure out which of these recent applications you think is causing the issue, right? Because of course those third-party applications are always filled with ads because it's a free version. They do that for money and of course for ad revenue, and you can just try to delete those apps if you think that is not convenient for you, because your phone manufacturer is not the one putting those ads. It's a third-party app that is putting those applications. Hope this video helped you solve a question. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.